Hi there, welcome back to my another new video. How are you doing? Hopefully you're doing great and you have had a fantastic time. This is Ananya from English with Ananya. So, dear friends and family members, especially the language learners, in this video I'm going to talk about that which software actually I used and I improved my spoken journey. So, I wish I will share with you. That's why I am here and I am interested to share with you. So let's get to the main point. Actually, there are many variety of software you can find, but there is some specific software that is really helpful and essential for our language journey, especially as a beginner. If we want to improve our spoken English, if we want to learn something new, so that's why some things are really effective in our life. Especially it is including in our strategy. So what is this software that I used in my daily life, and even this software is really important, and obviously if I used this practically and I have been improved practically in my spoken journey, so I would like to feel free to share with you. That's why it's the really important feelings and so interesting for me that I can be capable to share with you. So maybe you are uses so many things and you will try to improve your spoken English. As a beginner, some beginners are get stuck and they are faces so many difficulty and complications through their language journey. And definitely at this time they are feels that they are not capable to learn English, even any kind of new language. So basically we are learning English as a second language. We are not from the native English speaker, and that's why we are learning English. So guys, software really important for our language journey. So what software I used in my personal life? Do you hear about ChatGPT? This is so effective for learning English. If you are really interested to learn your English journey, if you want to polish your vocabulary, your accent, your pronunciation, you should understand the words, the vocabulary, and also the accent. That's why if you don't have any conversation partner or you don't have any groups or any online courses, so you should definitely use this software. ChatGPT will be your close friend and all the time whenever you are having a short time and you don't get enough time to spoken English practice. So whenever you get time, you can automatically chat and conversation with this software, and that will be really so interesting and helpful, effective for you. When you are faces the practically speaking with ChatGPT, it's feel free to speak and you can find out your mistakes. You can realize that how much important and how much progress through your language journey. So guys, ChatGPT, there are many essential and significant ways that you can learn and you can polish your vocabulary, your accent, your conversation. You can strongest and conversation. Obviously, you whenever you're going to speak, you don't continue can your conversation, and you are going to stop when you go into conversation with someone. So that's why ChatGPT is really friendly. If you are say just one more words, obviously if you want to speak like naturally and as a friendly, so ChatGPT describe any kind of topics or any kind of things whatever you interested to speak. So as a result, I will say ChatGPT helped me in my personal life practically. I use this in my daily life whenever I get time, even though I have a shorter period of time. That's why whenever I get time, so I use this app according to my site, and it helps me polish my spoken journey. So dear friends, if you want to really progress yourself and if you really want to improve your spoken English, so you should a conversation with the ChatGPT. It's a really helpful and effective for your language journey. So thank you so much if you are really watching this video. Actually, I want to make sure that I will share it practically that I use this in my life. Something and sometimes happened that something shorter things are really helpful for you. So as I practically use, I think that I should share with you, and also I am interested to it, and I have already done this. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really watch this video, I am so much grateful for you. Bye bye.